Alright, you guys, we're out here again. Daytime fishing! Woo! Casual Girl Adventures here. I'm Corey, and you're watching Casual Girl Adventures. We're out here at the lake, gonna do some daytime fishing. Alright. Wish us luck. Hopefully catch some good stripers, guys. Or anything, it doesn't really matter. Here we go. And we're gonna be off here in just a few minutes. All right, everyone. Well, we're out here, and this is the Upper Government Wash out at Lake Mead. And whoa, look at all these people out here. There's a lot of people fishing and just playing around. There's some out on the boats. All this little area right here, it's much bigger than you think, but this is just a small little area. And you know, the water looks pretty deep out here. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Right back over here seems like a really popular spot, and it looks like you can even bring your car if you have just like a regular car. Looks like the road should be pretty easy to drive on to get here, so if you guys want to come out here and fish and hang out, looks like a good place. No, I don't. Whoa, okay. That's the one thing about being on the boat, is you never know when you're gonna get rocked. I don't think you can camp out here. They just have the tent up to keep the shade or something.
They're not gonna bother you.
No, well, probably not. But anyway, yeah, it looks like everybody's just hanging out here. Ooh, the water looks pretty deep. Nice, beautiful day to hang out. Woo! All right. Here we go. Got the sun in their eyes, huh?
All right.
So anyway, we're checking out this little cove over here. Haven't had any luck much with the other fishing, so we're gonna try this way. Just been moving around, exploring around, and seeing what's going on, checking everything out.
How many big boat there?
Yeah, there was kind of a lot of boats over there in that area, Government Wash, Upper Government Wash. But so we're here, just chilling, having a good time. So we're gonna have to hold on tight here, guys. This boat up ahead right there, I don't know if you can see it still. Look at those huge waves. Can you see it? Hold on tight with me, guys. Don't fall in. Whoa. 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 Oh my goodness. Whoa. Hold on tight. Hold on tight, Frank. Hold on tight. We didn't fall in. We made it. You guys all good? Yeah. All right.
You're ready.
Okay.
Is it?
Yeah, fish on, guys. Fish on.
Oh,
come on.
Net, please.
It's a little one.
Woohoo! That's pretty cool.
It's a little one.
I know. Oh, well, you don't need a net.
No, I don't need a net for that little dinky thing.
Right on. Baseball.
Boom. Uh-oh.
Yeah, that's a good sign.
Got one.
Cool.
It's alright. There's weed like that.
What is it?
I think that's a smallmouth.
That's a smallmouth bass, yeah.
Oh, nice. First smallmouth.
Oh, yeah, huh?
Yeah.
That would surprise me. I didn't realize I had it at first. So, okay, come on. Let me get you off of here. All right. Well.
Make it look big.
All right, here we go. You guys, you ready?
Good job.
You ready? All right. Oh, look, Frankie wants to see. Huh. Whoa. Okay. Frankie wants to see. Yeah. Oh, you're gonna. No, don't lick it. All right, let's put it back in. Off it goes.
Daisy.
Good job, huh?
All right. Yeah.
Fun, huh? Okay.
Yep.
Well, they're here.
Cool.
You got
All right.
ready
Hey,
to
you
get-
two. Just chilling over there, huh? We're on the move again, guys. Woo! Oh. Hold on tight. All right, guys. I got another one. Fish on, guys! Woohoo! Woo! It's a little fighter. Whoa, it's gonna knock me. It's all waves and everything. Hold on. Ah, ha, ha. Got another little one. Uh-oh.
Is it the same one?
No. Got it, guys. Yeah.
It's a little bigger, I think.
Right on. Fist bump.
Yeah. Fist bump. But sucker swallowed it.
Ah, in the platter?
Yeah.
Okay. I gotta watch what we're going.
Ah.
Oh, waves. Hold on, guys. Waves, waves, waves. From the bigger boat that this went by. Whoa, holy cow.
Okay, I'm gonna sit down.
There you go.
I gotta push it back.
Yeah.
Did I push it back?
I don't know. Right on, man. There you go.
There you go. Good job. All right.
Happy sunshine.
Little one.
Kissy.
Kissy. Mwah. All right, guys. Let it go. There it goes. It's gone. Whoa, don't fall in.
Right on, man.
All right, right on. Let's get some more, guys, huh? All right. Here we go. Uh-oh, chop. Turn.
I got it,
Okay.
I got it.
All right.
Catch you later.
We're going to catch you later, guys. Maybe you'll get lucky.
Yeah. Try to keep an eye.
Whoa. Inland.
Try to keep an eye on a little bit, okay?
Right in the weeds, yeah. You got to go to the right a little bit.
Okay. Because I need to fish this.
Okay.
This thing come loose.
Okay.
Like sheep.
Think I got a new favorite little lure, guys. Yeah. Think this has now become my new favorite. Woo!
It's kind of like a bow tie.
Yeah, it looks like it, huh? You can go back to the left now. That's enough. But yeah, it is casting out like this. Just chilling, catching the little ones right now. Hopefully we'll get some big ones sooner or later. Ooh, good spot. Come on, baby. To the right a little bit, Chop, again.
Okay.
Hey. Alright, you guys, we've been playing around a little bit. And we found a little hole that we hung out in just got here just a few minutes ago. And guess what? Fish on, guys. Fish on. Yes. Woohoo! Let's see. Oh!
Whoa.
Whoa.
What the heck is that?
I don't know. I wonder what I got here. Let's see.
Another smallmouth.
Oh, a smallmouth. All right.
Seems like the same size.
A little
Yeah, that's a little bigger. We're
Daisy,
getting there.
Did you want to see?
We're getting there. Look at Pops. You want to see? Woo.
Right
All right. All right, you guys.
Hey,
We're
you
getting
need
there. A little bit bigger.
Need a pliers?
No, I don't know. Nope.
That's cool.
Okay. All right, guys. Well, wait. Ooh, gotcha. All right.
Good job. Come on,
Yeah.
fish bump.
Fish bump. Just kidding.
That's a fish bump.
That's a fish bump. Fish bump, guys. Yeah. All right, here we go. There we go.
Yeah, 3 o'clock.
All right. 3 so. Oh, wait. 3. What?
2.
2. 3?
Yeah.
No, 3 so far, guys. All right.
Oh, it's a good bushy there, Rio.
Yeah. Catch you later when we got some more going.
We'll keep going, I guess, huh?
All right, everyone. Well, that's another day fishing up here at Lake Mead. We're at the Boulder Harbor at Lake Mead, and we went to Upper Government Wash and then just kind of played around in some other areas up there. I caught 3 small ones. I think they were smallmouth bass, and we had a great day. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as we have fun watching, or I hope you enjoy the video as much as we have fun making it and spending family time together. You guys, I appreciate everything, and thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
Anyway, that's my silly husband. But anyway, happy fishing, everyone. Bye. Woo!